want to start this. We are at Laur Olive Oil Factory tasting. We have a tasting here at 11:30, and it's pretty hot out, as you can see. Like, it's been hot all week here in Mendoza, roughly about like 96 degrees every single day. And we're excited about this olive oil tasting because we never visited an olive oil bodega before. It's our first time, and it's going to be fun. We've only done winery since we've been here, so we definitely want to check out this one because it is one of the most famous olive oil bodegas here in Mendoza. So yeah, it also comes with like a tasting of one wine and I think 3 or 4 different olive oils. So let's check it out.